Hello students, we are solving problems under leave encashment under tax-free incomes. In this session, let us solve one more problem relating to that because it is very important for your exam. See this one, Mr. Kiran was employed in a factory at Mysore. He retired on 1st January 2020 after completing a service of 26 years and 5 months. He had been getting a salary of rupees 23,000 per month and a DA of 2,000 rupees per month, forming part of retirement benefit for the last 4 years. He received a gratuity of 4 lakhs and as per entitlement of 30 days earned leave for each year of service, he also received rupees 3 lakh for encashment of earned leave of 11 months during the previous year. Compute taxable earned leave encashment and gratuity assuming he is not covered under Payment of Gratuity Act. Let us solve this problem. Mr. Kiran employed in a factory at Mysore. He retired on 1st January 2020 after completing 26 years 5 months of service. Here you have to calculate gratuity assuming he is not covered under Payment of Gratuity Act. Under not covered under Payment of Gratuity Act, you have to ignore fraction of the years. Only 26 years of service you have to consider for the calculation of gratuity. Okay. Next see, he had been getting a salary of 23,000 per month and a DA of 2,000 per month. Here in this problem, retirement benefit, that is DA forming part of retirement benefit, this sentence is particularly given in the problem. That means for the purpose of calculation of average salary, you have to consider DA. If they are not giving this sentence, that is retirement benefit, you should ignore DA. In this problem you have to consider that is 23,000 plus 2,000, that is 25,000 is his salary. Next see the information, he received a gratuity of 4 lakh. This is actual amount of gratuity received, which is important to calculate gratuity amount, that is taxable gratuity amount. And as per leave encashment, he received 3 lakhs rupees earned leave, and to his credit there are 11 months leave. Okay. In 26 years service, he has earned leave of 11 months. You have to calculate taxable earned leave encashment and gratuity. See the calculation. Note calculation of 10 months average salary, that is salary is equal to 23,000 of basic into 10 plus 2,000 of DA into 10, that amounts to rupees 2,50,000, or else you can consider 23,000 plus 2,000, 25,000 into 10, that is also same thing. Average monthly salary amounts to rupees 25,000. See the computation of taxable leave encashment format is same. In the examination you have to attend this type of problem because very simple adjustments they give and the format is same, similar to all problems, only amount changes. So you can easily solve this kind of problems. Okay. See this one, amount received on encashment is given, that is 3 lakhs. From that you have to deduct least of the following, that is exempt under section 10 subsection 10 AA, that is actual amount of leave encashment received 3 lakh, 10 months salary 2,50,000, that is already calculated by you, and amount of salary for approved period of leave, that is 25,000 of monthly average salary, or 2,50,000 divided by 10, that amounts to 25,000 into leave to his credit is 11 months. When you multiply that two things, you get 2,75,000 as amount of salary for approved period of leave. and statutory limit 3 lakhs. Whichever is less you have to consider, that is your exempted leave encashment amount received. Here 10 months salary is minimum, that is 2,50,000. When you deduct this 2,50,000 exempted amount from amount received on encashment 3 lakh, you get taxable earned leave as rupees 50,000. That is your taxable earned leave. Okay. Next you have to calculate taxable gratuity considering him as not covered by the Payment of Gratuity Act. Under not covered by Payment of Gratuity Act and covered by the Payment of Gratuity Act, there is one correction in gratuity. I am telling this here only, listen it carefully. Statutory limit, while solving problems under or while discussing about death cum retirement gratuity act or gratuity, I explained it as for not covered by the Payment of Gratuity Act, statutory limit is 10 lakh, but that has been changed in this year, in this assessment year 2020-21, that is for not covered under Payment of Gratuity Act also they increased the statutory limit to 20 lakhs, that is from this assessment year onwards. Please note down that change, okay. Don't forget to change that thing, that increased to 20 lakhs. I am telling it again and again, that increased to 20 lakhs, not 10 lakh. Okay. In the previously while solving gratuity problems, we took for covered under 20 lakhs and not covered 10 lakhs, but that has been changed for both covered and not covered, it is 20 lakhs now. See, calculation of taxable gratuity. Amount of gratuity received 4 lakh. From this list of the following you have to deduct amount actually received 4 lakh or half month's average salary for each year of completed service, 26 years of completed service. Monthly average salary amounts to 25,000 into half, that amounts to 3,25,000. If you are considering him as covered under Payment of Gratuity Act, this will be 15 days salary, that is here you have to consider 15 divided by 26, but it is not covered, so half month's salary. Next, statutory limit 20 lakhs, whichever is less you have to consider. It is 3,25,000 is exempted amount of gratuity. When you deduct this amount from amount of gratuity received, you get taxable gratuity as 75,000 rupees. Taxable amount of gratuity is 75,000. So, this is the problem which may come for your exam. Thank you. Let us solve one more problem in the next session.